everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make ginger garlic paste. So I'll tell you the ingredients first. The things needed are some ginger and some garlic. I peeled both the ingredients and I'm going to make ginger garlic paste. I have took the ingredients, I'll show you. This amount of garlic and ginger I took. You can take how much amount you want for making ginger garlic paste. Let's go and see how to make ginger garlic paste. Okay, I showed you how much ingredients, how much amount I took ginger and garlic. Now we need this thing and we need mixie and a mixie jar and little water we need for grinding the ginger garlic paste. Now let's see how to grind it. I took a cup of water. So let's see how to grind the ginger garlic paste. I took a small jar like this. So first we're going to add the ginger and next we're going to add the water, the garlics, and now we're going to add some water too, lightly, making it thick. Okay, now let's grind it. We need to grind it how nice it can be. Okay, let's grind it. Let's see how it came. It came like this, so we'll grind it a little more. Let's open and see. Okay, our ginger garlic paste is ready. Let's serve it in a bowl. So I put the ginger garlic paste into a bowl. I'll show you. This is our ginger garlic paste. This ginger garlic paste, we can use it only for 2-3 days. It'll come for 1 week or 1 month. If you want ginger garlic paste, that method I'll show in my next video. Bye everyone. See you in my next video. If you like my channel, see my channel first time, please like, share, comment and please subscribe to my channel. See you in my next video. Bye everyone.